So people are taking mobile money business as a joke. Others are just talking something about this mobile money business. They are not serious about the mobile money business. And yet some serious persons also contacted me about the mobile money business. And of course, why don't I make a follow-up video after my first video about how to make 1,000 to 5,000 or 3,000 Ghana cedi from the mobile money business in a single month. Okay, so today I'm going to be sharing with you ways in which MTN pays mobile money vendors their commissions, okay, each month. Okay, so if you are into mobile money business, of course you know the ways in which MTN pays you. But for those who are going to start a business, of course they will want to know what are the ways in which they can make money or profit from the MTN mobile money business. Please, if you are new to this channel, please consider subscribing, because this channel is all about business and business ideas and how to make money in Ghana. Okay, then of course let's get into the video. Okay, so there are 3 ways in which you can make money from MTN mobile money business. The first one is cash in commission. Okay, so yes, with the cash in commission, every time you are sending monies to a person or a customer, or you are transferring money to a customer, there's some commission that you are going to make from that transaction. Okay, and it's actually paid monthly, or on the 15th to 16th of every month. MTN will pay you that commission that you have made within that period, every 15th to 16th of a new month. Okay, and that amount is strictly determined by MTN. Okay, because the amount that you are going to see on your commission box after you have checked your commission for cash in transaction, after you have checked your commission for cash in transaction, is going to be audited, because you find a commission amount there, but then that particular amount is going to be audited before it will be transferred to you on the 15th or 16th of every month. And that is the first way in which you can make money. So if you are sending monies, making cash in, sending monies to customers, of course you are going to be paid some commission on the cash in that you are making. If you make more cash in within the month, of course your commission is going to double up. But then your cash in commission that you are going to see after you have checked your commissions is going to be audited, and the same amount that you are seeing on the cash in commission might not be the exact amount that you are going to receive at the middle of each month. Okay, it's going to be determined by MTN. And the second and the most enjoyable profit that you are going to make, or money that you are going to make through MTN mobile money business, is making cash out. Okay, if you are withdrawing monies for customers, of course everybody knows that MTN mobile money business is cash in and cash out, transactions. Okay, if you are withdrawing money, if you are cashing out, okay, cash out commissions is strictly going to be based on how much money you have cashed out. Per every 1,000 Ghana cedis that you are going to be cashing out, MTN is going to be charging 10 Ghana cedi from the customer. Okay, and of course 6 Ghana cedis is going to be for MTN, and then 4 Ghana cedis is going to be for you, the vendor. So let's say that you have made cash out of 2,000 Ghana cedis. Okay, so MTN is going to take 12 Ghana cedis, and then you are going to have 8 Ghana cedis. Okay, that is if you are making 2,000 Ghana cedi per one particular customer. But if the customer is withdrawing more than 2,000 Ghana cedis, MTN cannot charge a customer more than 20 Ghana cedis. Okay, so each 2,000 is the limit. 2,000 Ghana cedi, MTN is going to charge 20 Ghana cedi from the customer. But then if the customer is going to withdraw more than that at the same time from you, MTN is not going to charge more than 20 Ghana cedi. MTN is going to charge exactly 20 Ghana cedis. Okay, so if the person is withdrawing 4,000, 5,000 at once, MTN is still going to charge 20 Ghana cedis, and your profit is still going to be 8 Ghana cedis, because MTN is going to be taking 12 cedis from that 20 Ghana cedis, and you are going to be taking 8 cedis. Okay, so like each 1,000 Ghana cedi, the profit is 10 cedis. MTN is taking 60%, and you are taking 40%. That is just it. MTN is taking 60%, you are taking 40 Ghana cedi. Even no matter the amount of cash out that people are making, MTN is taking 60%. 60% of the commission that he is getting from the customer, and you are going to take 40% of the commission. Okay, and that is the second way in which you can make profit, second way in which MTN pays you through MTN mobile money business. Okay, and the last way is to do your airtime transfer. Okay, that also you are going to be getting commissions, little commission for every transfer that you are making. All is in the MTN mobile money app. Okay, you can download it as well, and then you'll be able to do your transaction. As to how to start MTN mobile money business, I have a video on that already. Please check the description box. I'm going to put a link to that particular video, how to start MTN mobile money business, the amount to start with, and how much you should be expecting. So this is just a short video telling you how much you can make from MTN mobile money commissions with the MTN mobile money business. Thank you so much for watching. If this video was informative, kindly like the video and share the video to your colleagues. Please subscribe if you are new, and also do well to comment below whether you have started the business already or you are about to start your MTN mobile money business. Thank you for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.